Hello everyone, this is Visit Places in Rwanda with Trésor. I love you. It's good? It's good? You like it? Thank you. This is me. I am back. I am what? I am back. Let me show you around first. Before I say anything, let me show you around first. This is tea plantation. It is nearly tea factory. This is Funda tea plantation, you see. Before I explain more things to you, let me first show you this. Let me show you this mad motorcycle. It likes to be in mud. Tourists likes mud. Tourists likes mud. Like me, I like mud too. I like to be mad. I like motorcycle. I like to make tours with motorcycle. You see? You see? You see? Let me show you this thing first. This is not thing. This is beast. This is what? Beast. Let me show you. It's still new. Let me show you. Let me show you something. It's still new. It doesn't have plate number. In only 5 days, it will have it. At this moment, it doesn't allow to go in any tour. But after 5 days, it will be in all tours. You see, it will be in all tours. Here I am in Funda Tea Factory Plantation, nearly Funda River. This is called Funda River. There is the other place they call it Sebeya River. It has same color, it has same look, but the difference of names is the places it is. You see? Let me back with you. In Visit Places in Rwanda tours, we have special services we offer you. We have a special services we give you. The first service we give you, we do motorcycle tours. You see? We do motorcycle tours. We do bicycles tours. We do electric bike tours. I will show you later. I will show you electric tours in our Visit Places in Rwanda Tours company. The other tour we work for you, we have hiking. We do hiking, we hike Congo Night Trail. We do city tour, Gisenyi, Kigali. We pick you up from Kigali International Airport to Gisenyi. If you want, we do that. That is not in our service we give, but if you ask it to us, we'll help you move you from Kigali International Airport to us. The other thing I can tell you is this: we hike Congo Night Trail. We do community. We do tourist-based community. We visit local. We make local experiences. We do. We show you pots, how they make pots, how they clean everything you see, and you make it yourself. We hope with us you like it more. You like it, you love it. You will still, it will be memory to you. It will with us. We are happy for you. We are happy for you. So let's continue. The other thing I can tell you, you see, we do. Let me show you. What you see? This is coffee. This is tea plantation. We do tea plantation experience. From nursery to the factory, I mean, till you test tea, how tea it tests, how they harvest tea. We show you how they harvest, how the full process of making tea we do for you when you use visit places in Rwanda. You can find us on Vieta and TripAdvisor. And TripAdvisor. Advisor. You can find us on Vieta and on TripAdvisor. Go there, write down visit places in Rwanda. Tours, you'll find us who have cheap prices to give you. You better like it. You better love it. That's the other thing to give you. The other one is coffee experience to Kinunu from plantation to factory. Same as tea. Same like the one we showed you in tea plantation. From plantation to factory, coffee. From plantation to factory till you test how they harvest, how they lost coffee, how they, everything on cheap prices. Visit our site, visit places in Rwanda, you will find us there, and then you will better like it. Our prices, we have a cheap prices. We show you with a good experience. I mean, yeah. Visit the site. This moment. You better like it. You better like it when you make tour with us. I am the CEO of Visit Places in Rwanda Tours. Pole pole. That's Swahili. Pole pole. Buhoro buhoro. Gake gake. Slow by slow in English. So, that's the other thing. When we are in community-based tourism, we show you how Rwanda is traditional. We visit place there. We make pots. They dance for you. And they dance for you. Traditional dance. They show you. And then also, if you want to make traditional coffee, we have to. We lost it ourselves. We hash it. After hashing coffee, we cook and you test. That's good. That's it. We do more things. So call us on 078 2838 948. Let me repeat. Country code is +250 782838 That's the CEO number of Visit Places in Rwanda Tours. I give you full explanation and you better like to do tours with us. Everything with us is beautiful, powerful, endless in mind. It is our tours with us. It is endless. We have endless tours. So thank you very much. God bless you. I love you. Anything you want to ask me, I'm feel free. Ask me. I will give you full explanation about the things you want to know. Explanation of it. Thank you very much. Ciao. Let's back. Let's back. Here it is. Thank you very much. This is Visit Places in Rwanda. Let me give you this picture. This beautiful picture. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's still new.